Doc, nagtatae or may diarrhea po yung anak ko. Ano po ba yung dapat kong gawin? Hi, this is Dr. Candice Iler and I'm a general pediatrician. Ang pagtatae or diarrhea is one of the most common symptoms that we encounter in our private practice or in our clinics. Now, for patients who come in with diarrhea, I usually ask them, meron po ba tayong watery type of diarrhea? Or medyo loose lang naman siya, meaning meron pong areas na basa, meron pong areas na slightly formed. May blood po ba na kasama or wala naman po? Meron pong kasamang lagnat, pagsusuka, meron po bang pagsakit ng tiyan or paglaki ng tiyan? So, this will also give us an idea kung ano yung possible causes or possible treatment that we could give our patients. And then we also ask for the number of times na nagda-diarrhea sila. So, more than 3 times ba? More than 5 times? Or more than 10 times? Gaano po karami yung kanyang poops? If, for example, nagda-diaper po si baby ninyo, ilang beses po ba kayo nag-change? Punong-puno po ba ng poops yung kanyang diaper? Or kahit konti pa lang, nag-change na kayo? So, what we always fear is dehydration in our patients. So, what are the things that you have to look out for? Signs of dehydration. So, number 1, check for behavioral changes. Meron po bang times na tulog lang siya ng tulog, hindi na po lumalaro si baby or hindi na siya gaano gumagalaw? Number 2, meron po ba tayong sunken eyeballs? Lumalalim na po ba yung kanyang mata? Yung ibang pasyente po is nagda-darken na po under the eye area. Number 3, meron na po ba tayong dryness in the mouth and in the tongue? 4, the skin is also dry. No? So sometimes we check for skin pinching. If you pinch it, kung hindi siya bumabalik agad, meaning this is already a sign of dehydration. Also, we have to check the tears. No? For example, kung umiiyak po ba siya, meron po bang tears na lumalabas? Or kung sobra po mainit, nagpe-perspire pa po ba siya or hindi? Because these are also signs of dehydration. And then we have to make sure that they are well hydrated. So what I tell the parents, replace volume per volume with oral dehydrating solutions. So marami pong available sa ating mga pharmacies and even groceries. And sometimes sa health center, they teach you how to make the oral dehydrating solution. So meaning, replace volume per volume. That means if once they have diarrhea or nagpo-vomit sila after a few minutes, approximately kung gaano po karami yung kanyang diarrhea. For example, nag-poops po siya, 1/2 cup po yung karami yung kanyang poops, kailangan po ma-replace po natin approximately in the same amount in the form of our oral dehydrating solution para masasabi po nating mabalanse at parang hindi po siya prone to dehydration. As pediatricians, we also give our probiotics and then zinc supplements